The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is already shaping up to be one of the most hyped phones of the year, following the footsteps of its predecessor, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. With leaks and rumors swirling, we're starting to get a clearer picture of what Samsung's next flagship might bring to the table, and one of the hottest topics, the battery. Now, here's where things get interesting. Early leaks suggested a massive 6,000 or 7,000 mAh battery, a dream for power users. But plot twist, that's apparently not happening. According to the latest info from tipsters, the S26 Ultra is expected to have a battery under 6,000 or possibly around 5,396 mAh. That's a bit of a shocker, considering how most flagship phones in 2025 are pushing 6,000 mAh or more. One tipster even doubled down on the claim, saying he'd delete his X account if the S26 Ultra ships with anything above 6,000 mAh. Meanwhile, another tech insider speculated that the rumored 5,500 mAh version could just be an early engineering sample. But Panda Flash Pro insists the 5,396 figure is legit and could be the final rated capacity. While the battery capacity itself might not be record-breaking, there's a silver lining. The Galaxy S26 Ultra could be one of the first smartphones to use silicon carbon battery technology. These next-gen batteries are about 10% more energy dense, meaning they can pack more power into the same space. They're also supposed to be safer and more eco-friendly than traditional lithium-ion batteries. But here's the catch: we still don't know for sure if Samsung will actually use them in the final product. Personally, I'm on the fence about this change. I mean, in 2025, every other brand is going big with 6,000 plus mAh batteries, yet Samsung is sticking with a lower capacity option. If they really want to keep their flagship lineup competitive, they need to focus on what users actually want, whether that's bigger batteries, better efficiency, or both. So, is this upgrade actually an upgrade? Or is Samsung playing it too safe with battery size again? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's discuss. That's all for now. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.